Did you know? Most Jeep Wrangler remote start problems come down to just a few simple issues. Let's break down why your remote start might be stuck. If your Jeep Wrangler's remote start isn't working, check these common reasons first. Number 1, your check engine light. If it's on, remote start will be disabled. Fix that first. Number 2, your key fob battery. A weak or dead battery means your Wrangler won't get the signal. Try swapping it out. Number 3, your doors, hood, or tailgate aren't closed all the way. The system won't start if anything's open, even just a crack. Number 4, low fuel or low coolant. If your Jeep senses something's off, remote start won't work. Top up on fluids and try again. Finally, double check you're following the right steps. Lock the Jeep, then press the remote start button twice. If you're too far away, move closer and try again. If you've tried all this and it still won't work, it might be time to see your dealer. There could be a deeper issue with your Jeep's system. Now you know the basics, so next time your remote start fails, you'll know what to check first. Stay informed and keep driving smart.